2012 Ram 1500 5.7 liter HEMI. HEMI, baby. The factory converters, there. Then what we did is true dualed it all the way back 2 1/4 into his existing tailpipes there and there. We left the factory resonators there and there. And then we added some 5-inch black tips to complete the look. He's gonna murder it out. He's gonna change all the badges to black. So it's gonna look really nice once it's done. There and there. That's the old exhaust that was on it. That's where it was wide into a single 3-inch pipe, into the 3-inch muffler, and then a dual outlet out the back. That's how they come, guys, as you guys can see. So we cut it off and reuse the tailpipes, reuse the resonators. He didn't want it too loud. He didn't want it to clap too much, but he wanted the flow of the true duals, as you guys can see right there. Much better. Wow, yeah, man. Again, your sound decibels. You hit 121 a couple of seconds. Yeah, so good. I'm glad we kept the resonators on it, for sure. It cleans the sound. Those tips look so good on it too. I like it. It drove an hour and a half to get here, guys, so we really appreciate them coming in down. Let you guys hear on the inside. Black tips.